Embark on a seamless journey through Japan with our meticulously curated list of top 10 must-have travel apps. These essential tools ensure an unforgettable experience while exploring the land of the rising sun. Number 1 would be Google Maps. While Google Maps is great for general navigation, Hyperdia is specialized for traveling around Japan, providing detailed train schedules and routes, making it indispensable for train travelers. But personally, having said that, I actually like Google Maps right now. It's because in Hyperdia, you don't see subway exits. So actually, I don't know if they need to update that, but I feel like the Google Maps is now better than Hyperdia. Before, Hyperdia was dominating the navigation app for Japan travelers. However, I would recommend using Google Maps. Just download it and make sure you have your internet. Although you can just download it for offline, but I have a separate video on having Wi-Fi or a SIM card so that you can use the internet on the go. Next, number 2, the Google Translate. So this app is for overcoming language barrier. Now, the Google Translate really exceeded our expectations, as this now comes handy with an online or with a live translation that you can use. With just these 2 applications, you are good to go. However, just wait for the 3rd to 10th apps that could really upgrade your adventure in Japan. One thing that I also recommend would be the Apple iOS Translate app. So if you were in a moment where you need a translation for documents, this Apple iOS Translate app is the way to go. I just don't know why, but Google Translate, when you use it for documents or pictures that have a lot of text, it doesn't give me a good translation. And so I would recommend the iOS Translate app for documents, and for just images or anything in between in Japan, then use Google Translate. A 3rd translation app that you can use also is the ChatGPT. But however, you need to type everything. But anyway, ChatGPT has really nice translation services, and it's also free. But you cannot use it on the go. You need to take a picture and copy the text, which is mendokzai. Next app would be NHK World. Now, this app offers news and information in English, providing travelers with updates about local news, weather, and important cultural insights. Make it easier to stay informed and safe during your travels. Next app would be ICard Reader. Now, a handy tool for those using prepaid transport cards like Suica, Pasmo, Ikoka. It lets you check the balance and your travel history. Now, simply by tapping your card against your smartphone. Next would be the digital IC card in the Apple Wallet. Although not an app, but the ability to add your IC card to Apple Wallet for contactless payments across transportation networks simplifies travel significantly. Now, I understand this is only for Apple, but there is a solution to that. Now, you must use a phone from Japan. You can use a second-hand phone here and make sure it has this one, and you're good to go. Next is Japan Travel by Navitime. Now, this app helps you check if your routes are covered by RailPass. Well, note that while the app offers invaluable guidance for pass holders, it requires a paid subscription for full features. Next one is Ekbo Cloak, perfect for travelers needing to store their luggage. It helps find stored locations nearby, so it's particularly useful when hotel check-in times are later than your arrival, or for exploring cities baggage-free. Although you would find coin lockers near the trains, most of the time there will be trains that have these coin lockers, but this app helps you a lot. Number 8 would be Cloak. Now, discover the Cloak app, ultimate travel companion, offering seamless booking experiences for airport transfers, local attractions, and unique experiences, often at discounted prices. By using our affiliated link, you support our channel's mission to create informative and engaging travel content without any extra cost to you, so enabling us to continue delivering valuable insights to fellow travelers like yourself. App number 9 would be a language Hongo resource for travelers to Japan using language apps like Memrise or Duolingo. Of course, this is not sponsored, okay? It could dramatically improve communication skills, which is particularly important in Japan. Of course, because English is not widely spoken, especially outside major tourist areas. So starting with basic readings, numbers, and common questions can make a significant difference in your travel experiences. Plus, showing locals that you've taken time to learn even a small amount of their language can often lead to warmer interactions and more authentic cultural experiences. And lastly, Urcall. For safety-conscious travelers, this app is a must. It informs users about earthquakes with real-time alerts and safety information. So Japan is prone to earthquakes, so having this app can give you a heads up to prepare appropriately. As you prepare to embark on your Japanese adventure armed with these apps, we'd love to hear from you. So drop a comment below of your favorite app that didn't make our list, or share your personalized top 10 picks. Let's continue to enrich each other's travel experiences and explore Japan together. Mata ne. Goodbye.